2025 Wood and White Trends. Minimalist elegance, timeless warmth, and natural charm in interior design. In 2025, the combination of wood and white continues to dominate interior design trends, offering an exquisite balance of minimalist elegance and natural warmth. This timeless duo creates an ambience of openness, serenity, and sophistication, transforming any space into an inviting haven. Whether in a modern farmhouse, a Scandinavian-inspired retreat, or a contemporary urban home, the marriage of wood and white ensures that focal decor elements stand out beautifully, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The enduring appeal of wood and white goes beyond mere aesthetics. It embodies the principles of biophilic design, by bringing the tranquility of nature indoors while maintaining an atmosphere that is both clean and airy. Natural wood textures paired with crisp white walls or furniture cultivate a cozy yet refreshing environment, ideal for fostering relaxation and comfort. This combination enhances light diffusion and spatial perception, making even the smallest rooms feel more expansive and welcoming. Feature pieces such as exposed wooden beams, handcrafted furniture, or intricately textured white decor add depth and charm, elevating the space's personality and allure. One of the notable strengths of this trend is its versatility, making it ideal for homeowners aiming to create a soothing yet stylish environment. Whether your design aesthetic leans towards rustic charm, Japandi, minimalism, or modern luxury, the wood and white palette allows for countless creative expressions while maintaining balance and tranquility. Incorporating layered textures, strategic lighting, and warm accents helps achieve a sophisticated yet comfortable home environment, making the space feel uniquely yours. This design trend also encourages sustainability and mindfulness, aligning with growing preferences for eco-friendly interiors. Choosing reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials complements the clean purity of white, emphasizing consciousness and care in design choices. This not only contributes to aesthetic appeal but also supports environmental responsibility, of critical consideration for future-forward design enthusiasts. Furthermore, the wood and white combo shines in its ability to adapt to various interior elements, from flooring and cabinetry to furnishings and decorative accents. In living rooms, the contrast of a wooden coffee table against a white sofa can act as a stunning focal point, while in kitchens, wooden countertops paired with white cabinetry evoke a sense of timeless charm and functionality. Bedrooms become sanctuaries of peace with the warm underfoot of wooden floors complemented by soft white textiles and linens, ensuring a restful and rejuvenating atmosphere. As we move further into 2025, the wood and white trend reaffirms itself as a must-have for those seeking timeless elegance and natural warmth in their homes. By embracing the harmonious interplay of these elements, homeowners can craft interiors that are not only visually pleasing, but also carry a deeper connection to nature and personal well-being. This approach ensures that spaces are not just aesthetically striking, but also spaces where people can thrive, reflecting the ultimate goal of modern interior design: to create environments that enhance life quality while remaining effortlessly stylish and enduring.